And what we've done is we've built scalable hydrogen fueling appliances that are in 4 different scales, a Model 200, 300, 400, and an M470. And these aren't something like we got to go figure out how to build next. They're already built on the ground running. So we already have the scalable ability to, as you grow your market, you take that station out, you put it over here, open up a new territory and bring in the bigger the one that handles more volume. And you can do that 4 times and keep moving these stations around like chess pieces. Okay. So it's strategic in the way you're doing it. And you're reusing a capital expenditure and moving it to a new location to open up more territory and more customers.
Mm.
So that increasing the demand for the hydrogen as you increase the supply of hydrogen in unison with each other. Now, this is something no one else that we're aware of, and I'd love to know it. So if you listen to this and you want to confront me on this, have at it, okay? Because I want to know if somebody out there's got something like this, but I don't think they do. And so this is because no one's ever conceived of products that could be designed like this. They never think of the idea, and they keep going out and building these gigantic stations without. And now we figured out how to do this on a truck stop level. We can do this on an eVTOL level. Any level we can scale with the demand. And one other thing I want to say that's really important about hydrogen versus batteries. You need batteries. You're never going to get away from batteries because the batteries are provide you a constant load, and you can increase that load really quickly and back down, and it's going to give
Mhm.
you that power when you need it. And you're never going to get away from them. We know, but they have a specific use. And
Yep.
once you get beyond that specific use, hydrogen becomes a better deal. And so one of the things is that if you wanted to be green in batteries, you're going to have your vehicle sitting there at the moment in time when the wind's blowing or the sun's shining in order to capture those green electrons. But with hydrogen, you can set your hydrogen generation equipment, your fueling station, your electrolyzer up, and it can be making hydrogen anytime that wind or solar is present, and then fuel the vehicle at some later time. So you're transferring green electrons, and you can't do that with batteries.
Yeah,
So
you
you
just
get
wanted
it.
to I just wanted to add, we don't get this question so much anymore, but I used to get it a lot, especially about 2 years ago. People would say, "Do you don't you want to use batteries or hydrogen?" And our motto, High Sky Society, advancing hydrogen aviation, but we've added to it High Sky Society, advancing hydrogen aviation batteries included,
Mhm.
because the folks that are using batteries know the benefits of electric, and the folks that have already went electric are seeing the limitations of batteries and are becoming interested. And we will always need a battery component. So it's not an either or, it's yes, all of it, all of the
Right.
technologies.